Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome, //flags. This gives direct access to experimental controls you need. Once there, type automatic tab discarding into the search box and set it to disabled to stop Chrome from unloading inactive pages. Next, find throttle expensive background timers and disable it so background pages don't aggressively pause scripts. Make sure to click Relaunch Now. This applies changes immediately and prevents many auto-reload triggers from Chrome's memory management. Once done with flags, head to Settings and go to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings to control per-site behavior. You can disable JavaScript for a problematic site or install an extension that blocks or delays scripts. This prevents pages from forcing reloads. Also open System Settings and turn Power Saver off, and make sure background sync and permissions are allowed only where needed. These steps reduce Chrome's reason to refresh tabs while keeping important functionality intact. Now lock it down using a tab management extension that prevents auto-reloads or save sessions. This is the only practical way to stop all reloads reliably. Once installed, test by opening the page in incognito mode to see if extensions cause the issue. Disable extensions one by one if reloads stop. If problems persist, reset Chrome settings or create a new profile to eliminate corrupted preferences. This final step resolves stubborn behavior and gets you back to a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.